Suppose that a store owner were to mix dry dog food that costs $1.10 per pound with another brand that costs $2.50 a pound. How much of each do you mix together to get 40 pounds that's going to sell for $2? So this is the classic mixture problem. Instead of dog food, it could be some type of chemistry thing. Instead of money, this would be like, this one is this percent bleach and this one is this percent bleach, and mix the two to get 40 gallons, that's this percent bleach. These show up quite a bit throughout algebra and pre-calculus. Okay, so we've got two types. There's X, which could be the pounds of this one, dog food. And then Y could be how many pounds of the more expensive one, $2.50 dog food. And because we have two variables, we're going to need to come up with two equations. Well, one is going to be the pounds. You've got pounds of this plus pounds of this. It's got to equal 40 pounds. So X plus Y is equal to 40 pounds. Now the second equation is going to be about money. So if this one is $1.10 per pound and you've got X pounds of it, then when you multiply the two, that's the total amount of money. So $1.10X plus $2.50 Y has to equal, well, it has to cost $2 per pound. But we're going to have 40 pounds of it. So in total, that's going to be $80 worth. Or another way to look at it is be consistent. Even consistent in here. This is pounds plus pounds equals pounds. In here, it is dollars times pounds plus dollars times pounds equals dollars times pounds. All right, now we've got two equations. We could use substitution or elimination. In here, I could even get rid of the decimals. All I'd have to do is multiply by 10, because this would be 11.0. This would be 25.0. So if I multiplied the whole equation by 10 on both sides, then this is going to become an 11x plus 25y. Now this is 80, but then you have to multiply by 10. And let's see, I could go ahead and I'll use elimination method. I haven't done that yet today. So I could take this equation and multiply it by a negative 11. And then that would allow me to get rid of x's. So I'll put that down here. So negative 11x, negative 11y equals, well, let's see. If I were to multiply this by 10, that would be 400. But then it's got an extra 40. So it's 440. But don't forget that negative sign. All right, now add the equations, or in other words, combine like terms. This is going to be, that's going to be 14y is equal to 360. And then divide 360 divided by 14. So with word problems, you should usually give it the decimal answer. Because if you walk into a pet food store and you say, I want to buy 360 divided by 14 pounds, they're just going to stare at you. They won't even know what you're talking about. They'll say, I don't speak math. And then I would say, wow, that must be depressing. Okay, so that is 25.714. And then that's the y, so that's pounds of this one. Pounds of the more expensive dog food. And then, in order to solve for x, you can use whichever equation. This one right here, the one in black before I messed with it, that would be easiest. So it would be x plus 25.714 is equal to 40. So x is, all you have to do is subtract. So 40 minus the 25.714 is going to be 14.286, and then that's pounds of the cheaper one. And there we go.